welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I want to show you how to sew these beautiful snowflakes for your window as a great decoration. But before I do that, let me first ask you to subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. And then I'm going to show you what you need for this printable. First of all, you of course need our printable. Go ahead, print it out, and then we will cut it out in just a second. And before you start, please also have some yarn, a needle, some glue, and a scissor. And when you have all that together, we can get started. We first start by cutting out this printable. I just printed it on a pretty normal paper, yeah, it's not a strong paper at all, it's just a piece of paper I usually use for printing whatever. And you can also use stronger paper, of course, but it makes it harder to fold it, so that's why I'm using here just a simple piece of paper. And you see me folding that here. Always the houses, I call them just little houses, and I just fold them in half, and then you go ahead and fold both pieces of papers, and then we go ahead and sew them together. This is also a nice craft you can do with your kids. It's pretty easy to do, and beside that you still get a nice result. And you should not just do one snowflake, you can do many. And you put yarn on them, and then you hang them inside your window, or maybe you use a little piece of wood and put them all on that wood piece in different sizes and different heights, and just hang them into your window. It looks pretty good, so pretty easy to craft. And you see me now sewing this together. I go to the bottom and then I just go through it and get it together. So have a look, I glue the ends also together and have it both together, both pieces of paper. I could have glued them before, might have been easier, but you know, I just go ahead and do it like this. But you can of course do it a little bit different. Yeah, that's it for me for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. You see, it's a nice little crafting you can do with your kids, or you can do alone, decorate your home. Whatever you are up to is just fine, and you can so easily do it. Just print it out, cut it out, sew it together, and hang it into your window. So I really hope you enjoyed that, and if so, please don't forget to come back next time when I release a new video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, goodbye.